Welcome back to our chat on one of nature's most magical displays, the Northern Lights in Iceland. It's such an awe-inspiring topic, wouldn't you say? Let's
Yep,
dig into the factors that make Iceland the hotspot for aurora chasers.
absolutely. I mean, the idea of charged solar particles colliding with Earth's atmosphere, turning into a canvas of greens, pinks, and violets, it's simply mesmerizing. But tell me, what makes Iceland so special for these lights?
Great question. Well, it's all about location and environment. Iceland sits just under the Arctic Circle, so you get naturally clearer skies due to low light pollution and wide open spaces.
Yeah, right.
The crisp air, minimal city lights, especially in spots like the Westfjords, really give you that perfect backdrop.
Really interesting. And timing seems like it's a major factor, right? The details mention that the best window spans from late September to early April.
Exactly. Timing is key because during these months you get long dark nights. Although it's like it's not only about the darkness, the weather plays a huge role too. Clear skies are a must since cloud cover can block the show entirely.
Right. I always wonder, though, how do travelers zero in on, say, the perfect night? There are so many variables: moon phases, weather forecasts, and location specifics.
Oh, for sure. And that's why flexibility in your travel plans is so crucial. The advice often is to avoid full moon nights because a bright moon can wash out the colours, and to plan for at least 4 to 5 nights so there's a higher chance of clear skies. They
Yeah,
even
makes
recommend
sense.
using aurora and weather forecasts for guidance.
It's like planning an outdoor party where you hope the sky decides to join in on the fun. Now, let's talk about locations. I noticed Reykjavik and a few other spots got a lot of love. What's special about them?
Absolutely. Location plays a decisive role. Reykjavik, despite its urban light pollution, acts as a great launch pad for night tours, like taking a quick trip to Grotta Lighthouse for darker skies. Then there's the Snæfellsnes Peninsula, which is known as Iceland in miniature. It offers beaches, lava fields, and mountains all wrapped up in darkness, ideal for aurora magic.
Uh-huh. And I also heard about Jökulsá on Glacier Lagoon. Seeing the auroras reflected over icebergs must be surreal.
Definitely. Imagine witnessing the lights dancing along a lagoon. It's as if nature itself is putting on this grand moving light show that's like choreographed perfectly. And then there's Thingvellir National Park with its historical significance and natural beauty. Kind of like standing on the edge of the earth as the sky bursts into colour.
Right. I'm curious, though. Do you think all these recommendations hold true no matter how unpredictable Icelandic weather can be?
That's a valid point. I mean, the weather can be really tricky up there. And even on nights predicted to be clear, clouds might roll in. It's, a respectful gamble with nature. That's why many also suggest joining a guided tour. Local guides can adapt in real time to shifting conditions and know where to move when the skies decide to clear up.
True. I can see the benefit of that. There's value in having someone who understands the local microclimates rather than just relying on an app. Though personally, I sometimes think too many planned tours can take away that, element of surprise. What do you think?
I get what you're saying, but consider this. The trade-off is reliability. A guided tour might reduce spontaneity a bit, but it boosts your odds of experiencing the dance of the aurora. It's like having a seasoned pilot when flying in unpredictable weather.
Yeah, I can see that. That's a fair analogy. Now, beyond just location and timing, what about the gear and practical tips? I heard there's quite a checklist for what to pack and how to stay comfortable during these chilly nights.
Oh yes, absolutely. When you're outdoors waiting for the northern lights, dressing in layers is essential. Start with a thermal base, add a warm mid-layer, like a fleece, and don't forget a water and windproof outer layer. And, sturdy boots, warm socks, hats and gloves are absolutely non-negotiable.
Correct. And then there's the tech part. I mean, capturing the lights on camera is another challenge. You need a camera that lets you fiddle with manual settings and a solid tripod. Plus, extra batteries are a must because, cold drains them faster than you'd expect.
Right you are. I even recall that phones usually struggle unless they're equipped with a dedicated night mode. It's like going on a treasure hunt. You need the right tools to capture that rare moment when the sky lights up. Everything is geared towards making the most of that once-in-a-lifetime encounter with the aurora.
I just love how it blends adventure with meticulous planning. But let's not forget, even with all the planning, there's always that element of, unpredictability, which is part of the magic, isn't it?
Oh, definitely. The spontaneity of nature. The fact that despite all the forecasts, sometimes the lights appear in such unexpected ways. Yeah, that's what keeps the experience fresh. It's like, nature's own improvisation, which keeps you on your toes.
Absolutely. It's like waiting for a surprise party that nature throws just for you, with the sky as its canvas.
Exactly that. And if you ever find yourself under those dancing skies, it's a reminder of how wonderfully unpredictable our planet is. Even with all our planning and tech, nature reigns supreme out there.
Right, nature always wins. Well, this conversation really captures the essence of chasing the northern lights in Iceland. A blend of careful planning, embracing the unexpected, and a whole lot of wonder. Any final tips for our listeners?
Just to always keep an eye on the aurora forecast, pack warmly, and remember to let the adventure unfold naturally. And if possible, try experiencing it from different locations. The contrast between a bustling city backdrop and a remote, still landscape can change the entire vibe of the experience.
That's spot on. Well said. Here's hoping everyone gets a chance to witness that magical display. Thanks for the insightful chat.
Thank you, and until next time, keep chasing those dazzling skies, where planning meets the unpredictable beauty of nature.
Indeed.